Hi there, this is Bill Tainter. I'm going to go through a quick training on how to take profits and some general guidelines to help you get the most out of your trading. So let's talk about taking profits in 3 phases. When you start out each month, you start out at 0, and you're going to want to use your trade analyzer dashboard that we provide you with Fast Track Trader. So you start out at 0. That's phase 1, and we want to get you to 200 pips as fast as possible. Once you hit 200 pips, you're going to shift gears and you're going to trade a little bit differently. Nothing crazy, but you are going to trade a little bit different. Then when you do that, you're going to build 200 to 400 pips. And then finally phase 3, when you get up over 400 pips, we're going to change the way we trade, and it's going to be very powerful. Alright, let's take a look at phase 1. From 0 to 200 pips, here's the approach. Real simple. Take profit 1 and 2 at the same time. Now it depends on where you trade, what your time frames are. If you're normally taking them off at, let's just say for example, 15, 20 pips. Take both lines with Chart Trader and Sniper, set both of the lines at that first take profit level. Take them both off. Whatever it is, it is. And that'll move you to break even right away. And as price surges your way, it's profitable, goes beyond those take profits, you want to follow it close with your stop loss line. Even be ready to use the Sniper move to close option off the dashboard to shut the trade down. You want to squeeze as many pips out of it as you can to build your confidence, have some success. It's very irritating at this point to see a trade up 30, 40, 50 pips and then turn around and come all the way back to 1 pip and stops you out. That will make you psychotic. It'll really wear on you. So we're not going to do that. We're going to be smart. We're going to use our brain. We're going to take advantage of all the tools that we have to trade very, very smart. Okay? So from 0 to 200 pips, you're going to take profit 1 and 2 off at the same price. Whatever it is, however you trade, but take it off right away. Follow it very close with your stop and maximize the move of whenever you get in. Don't let it go against you. Okay, that's phase 1. And what you're going to find, if you're kind of, active at all, you will smoke 200 pips within 2 weeks. Easy. Now, let's look at phase 2. You hit 200 pips. Then you're going to need to shift gears a little bit. And all you're going to do is you're going to keep taking profit 1 and 2 at the same time, same price, take off that right away. You're going to move your stop to break even +1 with Chart Trader and Sniper. So just leave it there. And then you're going to want to move your stop loss to follow the price a little bit slower. Let's say you wait for it to break some thermal grids, hide behind the grid. It moves some more, you let it pull back against you, and then continue. You follow the waves, the cycles, the staircase, the step ladder effect of price. Price goes up, price goes down, price goes up, price goes down. So you're going to be a little bit smarter here. You're going to allow in phase 2, you're going to allow the price to move against you a little bit and give it room to turn and go further. So that's the 200 to 400 pips. And then you're going to find you're going to smoke 400 pips fast. It'll blow your mind. You're going to have confidence. You're going to tear it up. Okay? Then you're going to shift into phase 3. Now, phase 3 is 400 pips plus. Now, what's funny, you might make more pips here than you do in the first 2 phases because of this approach. Now, you take profit 1. You do not take profit 2 right away. You take profit 2 out further. So let's say, an example, your take profit 1 might be 15 or 20 pips. Well, now take profit 2, you stretch it to 30 to 40, maybe 50 pips, right? You use the support resistance lines that you draw. You might use trend lines. You might use the next black thermal grid or a red thermal grid, and you stretch out this second take profit. You keep your stop loss at break even +1. And then another addition here in phase 3 is you just move that stop loss daily. You follow it and stay behind a little bit slower, a little bit further back, and you're giving it room to run because, hey, you're up over 400 pips, you're bagging profits, you don't care. You're relaxed, you're having fun, and you're getting better at reading the market and where it's going to go, and that's the phase you want to get into. Okay, so just real quick review. There's three phases: 0 to 200 pips, 2 to 400 pips, and 400 pips plus. Phase 1, 0 to 200 pips, you're going to take profit 1 and 2 right away, and you're going to follow the stop loss pretty close. You're going to pinch out that move as far as it'll go, and when it starts to turn against you, bam, you're taken out. You're out, take the profits off the table. You're not giving up not that much, 5, 10, 15 pips. You are not going to give it all up. Phase 2 approach, 2 to 400 pips, you're going to take profit 1 and 2 at the same time, but you're going to keep the stop loss at break even, plus 1. Chart Trader Sniper does it automatically. And you're going to move the stop loss, but you're going to do it a little bit slower, follow behind, stay behind thermal grids, give it room to run, that kind of a thing. And the final phase 3 approach, you're up over 400 pips. Now you take profit 1 as normal, but take profit 2, you stretch it out further. You push it out 30, 40, 50 pips, maybe, let's say. You keep your stop loss at break even plus 1, and you only move it once a day. You give it plenty of room to run, and you'll start bagging more pips. Okay, so that is the phase approach to taking profits for fast track trader, thermal price grids.